లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, ఈ రోజు మరి ఎంతో ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా జరుగుతున్నటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ కార్యక్రమం భారతదేశంలో అత్యంత వేగంగా అభివృద్ధి చెందుతున్నటువంటి సంస్థాగత సమూహాల్లో జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ గ్రూప్ ఒకటి. ఉక్కు, ఇంధనం, మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు, సిమెంట్, పెయింట్స్, రక్షణ రంగం, ఆటోమొబైల్స్, ఈ కామర్స్, క్రీడలు, రియల్టీ, వెంచర్ క్యాపిటల్ వంటి బహుళ రంగాల్లో జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ తన కార్యకలాపాలను విస్తరిస్తూ ఉంది. గత 3 దశాబ్దాలుగా గ్రూప్ కు ప్రధాన వ్యాపార విభాగమైనటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ స్టీల్ ఒకే ఒక్క తయారీ యూనిట్ గా మొదలై ఈ రోజు భారతదేశంలో అగ్రగామి ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ స్టీల్ కంపెనీగా ఎదగండి అని చెప్పడంలో అతిశయోక్తి లేదు. ప్రస్తుతం జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ మొత్తం క్రూడ్ స్టీల్ ఉత్పత్తిలో 43.5 మిలియన్ టన్నులకు పెంచాలి అనే ఒక లక్ష్యం పెట్టుకున్నారు జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ. కర్ణాటక రాష్ట్రంలోని విజయనగర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ ప్లాంట్ భారతదేశంలో ఒకే ప్రాంతంలో అతిపెద్ద ఉక్కు ఉత్పత్తి కేంద్రం. ప్రస్తుతం ఈ ప్లాంట్ సామర్థ్యం 17.5 మిలియన్ టన్నులు. అయితే రానున్న కాలంలో స్టీల్ సంస్థలో అయినటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ స్టీల్ కు వ్యూహాత్మక భాగస్వామ్యం ఉంది జేఎఫ్ఈకి. దీని ద్వారా అత్యాధునిక సాంకేతికతలను అందిపుచ్చుకుని ఆధునిక విలువలు కలిగినటువంటి ప్రత్యేక ఉక్కు ఉత్పత్తులను తమ వినియోగదారులకు అందిస్తోంది జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ. పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణ దిశగా కూడా జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ స్టీల్ ముందడుగు వేస్తూ 2030 నాటికి తమ ఉక్కు తయారీ కార్యకలాపాల్లో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉద్గారాలను 42% తగ్గించాలని ఒక లక్ష్యం పెట్టుకున్నారు జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ. అంతేకాకుండా 2050 నాటికి తమ ప్రత్యక్ష నియంత్రణలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని కార్యకలాపాల్లో నికర కార్బన్ నెట్ జీరో కార్బన్ సాధించాలి అనే సంస్థ కృత నిశ్చయంతో ఉంది. 2030 నాటికి తమ ఉక్కు తయారీ కార్యకలాపాలన్నిటినీ పూర్తిగా పునరుత్పాదక ఇంధనంతో నడపడం ద్వారా ఇంధన పరివర్తనలో ముందడుగు వేయాలి అని జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ లక్ష్యంగా పెట్టుకుంది. మనం చూస్తున్నాము విజువల్స్ లో గౌరవనీయులు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు, శ్రీ సజ్జన్ జిందాల్ గారు, చైర్మన్ అండ్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ.
Better every day is just not our tagline, it's our philosophy. We are $25 billion right? Dutch company we recently acquired, Dulux. We recently acquired. So then now we will, over time we will merge this. That is Spain.
This is all electric cars. Mostly we make number 2 now. Mostly we make electric cars. Brand MG.
Can the mic quicker?
Yeah, they are all here. We'll show you.
You have to. What is it? Mic. No, not quicker. आवाज नहीं आ रहा. वीडियो में आवाज. We are proud to be what do we do to the national scale?
Sir, this.
Depends how far you are doing.
Yeah, this. Can we go back? So this is a all-terrain vehicle. So like Punjab, there was big floods. So then this vehicle saved a lot of people. It can go into water, into slushy land, into sea, into river. So this vehicle is very, very useful. Army, one helicopter crashed in a very difficult terrain. So to rescue the pilots and people, this vehicle was used. So Army has bought many of them, and Punjab State has also bought. So
What is the cost?
about 1 crore rupees, I think, sir. 2 crores rupees. 2 crore. 2 crore. Yes, sir. This is very important.
Sports where you are doing?
So, like Neeraj Chopra is our athlete.
So Vijayanagaram, what is the infrastructure you are having?
We have a big center, sir, sports. So we have 400 athletes. We are training there every day.
What is the infrastructure?
It's a high performance center. We have around 50 acres. All the sports people stay there, and we have gymnasium, all the high performance boxing
I
ring.
want to create one of the best sports infrastructure in Amaravati.
Okay, so sir, we can work on that. We should if you can send your people there.
I will send and then we'll go. This is the world best infrastructure. I want to
We
create.
have created like that only. You will be very happy to see.
Good.
Yeah, please. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Reality and how much you are doing?
We have recently started, sir. Now in Mumbai, we have very many big projects we are doing, sir.
No, even Amaravati you aim. Real estate is the future.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. We invest in startup companies.
You have to come to venture capital also.
Yeah.
I am starting number of startups.
In Amravati.
Amaravati, not only Amaravati, 5 centers. Now I have given you 1 center to know
Okay.
this region.
Correct.
Anantapur,
Okay.
Tata Innovation Hub
Okay.
is headed by JSW.
Acha,
We are
okay.
requesting it.
Okay, sir. Definitely. Yeah.
Good portfolios.
This video is full of Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, this is what we are doing in Andhra Pradesh.
This is our everlasting relation, ever-growing relationship with Andhra Pradesh and its presence. We just start the video, so it's just 2 minutes.
Yes.
Please go next. So from this slide,
Andhra Pradesh presence, footprint, sir. All the companies and all the investments, totaling to 50,000 crores in Andhra Pradesh, current and future.
Whatever we have invested and what we are going to invest is going to be 50,000.
This is Rayalaseema state. Now we are talking of the Rayalaseema region, sir. How it is going to change. This is the JSW Steel Energy. It is going to be side by side. This is the infrastructure. Water will come, from Mailavaram Dam, the road from NH67, railway connectivity and power. Everything will be there. And this region will. This is a township, proposed township also, sir. This is how bird's eye view it will look. Phase 1 and phase 2. So scrap recycling is the highlight. We'll be using scrap and DRI, but circular economy.
This is the green steel. Even energy will be solar energy.
Yes, sir.
Spending also clean energy.
Green energy. Yeah. Everything, only green.
This is the casting process. And this is the beam, the product, the final product.
This is all for building constructions and all.
So this is first in India that we are making 1 meter wide beams. This is the first in India. 1016 millimeters. 1 meter wide. Rolled heavy sections. And now we'll show the usage of this. This is how it is used. So steel intensive buildings. Rather than concrete buildings, steel intensive infrastructure.
All the railway bridges. Yes, sir. This multi-story building. Burj
Sir.
is made with steel, sir.
Yes. And this is our
This is our headquarters in Bombay.
headquarters in Bombay. Sir.
It's also
Site-
steel, sir. Fully.
Site to behold, sir. This is looks very good when you make steel buildings. It is high on efficiency
Yeah.
and it looks faster.
Yes, sir.
we have the models.
So this is the model of the plant. Explain.
Yes, sir. So this is the model of our high section mill, the Rayalaseema Steel. So here we have the EAF scrap feeding. We have the caster heating furnace. So this is the 1 million ton high section mill.
That is
This
the
is
phase
the
2.
Land for phase 2. And around this we have the land for our energy plant, which they will produce renewable energy, which will feed to our plant.
So this will be India's first green steel plant. To manufacture, we will export into Europe and everywhere. And then we can expand. Once we capture the market, then we can build more capacity. So we have enough land, we have enough area for solar, so it will be.
Sir, we pour concrete here, sir.
We put.
Yeah, we put it.
Good.
We went from
Great
this to
experiment.
that, sir.
Yeah. पूरी इधर आ जा.
This is the complete phase one. Out of that is phase one, and we have poured the concrete this place. Yes. Now the plant comes from here, sir. We have the scrap, and from there the electric arc furnace that will come to the furnace, and then goes to the combi caster. Caster to it goes to the
Rolling mill.
total plant where we are purchasing the product will be the different types.
This is totally circular economy,
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes.
No waste will come from this.
So waste will be recycled.
Recycle.
Tell you what I'm
Yes.
saying. It will go in circular economy.
Yes.
Even water will be recycled. Even steel scrap will be. Any waste will be
Even
recycled.
all waste.
Zero discharge plants.
Net zero.
Net zero. Power also no waste. Everything.
Water will conserve.
Water, everything.
waste You can recycle.
Absolutely.
Everything.
Everything.
We have low emission, sir. We are not doing zero emission, low emission. Sir.
Yeah. No emission. No emission. Even dust will be recycled.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the products that will be
This
made.
is how the product will look finally, sir. This is the actual size. This size of beam is not made in India till now. One meter wide beams. It's used in infrastructure. sir.
As of now, people are importing or fabricating this.
So this is the Vijayanagaram industrial park. Please explain.
Rajaram, sir.
Rajaram, he is the in charge.
So this is 1166 acres, one of the largest private parks in North Andhra. We're looking at an employment of about 45,000 people, and we're very well connected, sir. This goes to Araku Valley, about 50 kilometers from
1300.
Bhogapuram as well as from the port, and extremely well connected.
Defense of.
They have lands for MSMEs as well as for large industries. They already signed up LOIs for about 100 acres, both large and small. It's an integrated development with a walk to work. So people can actually live here and walk very closely. So it has got residential, industrial, commercial, all of it together. Extremely well located. You've got the Tatipudi reservoir from where the water is coming. There's a HT line which is going through. There's a railway line which is right there. And there's a national highway which is connecting, sir. And about 5 kilometers from the Raipur.
Tatipudi River.
That's the Tatipudi reservoir from where it's and about 5 kilometers. So this is the Visakhapatnam economic region zone. Extremely thriving, sir. We're getting a lot of very good inquiries.
When you are starting this?
Already begun, sir. They already
Four
signed
units, they are going to have an LOA today, sir. So that the activity will start in the spot, sir.
Now, can we announce today it is started or otherwise?
Inauguration only, sir. Today is inauguration.
Both inauguration.
Yes.
Inauguration.
And sir, that land is very close to Araku.
Yeah.
So that will become a resort. That idea is that it will become a resort for Araku, because after this no construction is allowed. Nobody can make.
Yeah. Now, what you are going to do that?
So we are going to bring the world's best resort people to build world-class resorts
Why
here.
can't you start sports in Amaravati?
Sports will be Amravati.
That is different. This is the where this is the Araku entry point.
Correct, sir.
Tourism.
Correct, sir.
Then you can, how many acres you are,
This is how many acres? 360 acres, sir. Huge land.
you are going to make it 360 acres experience center.
That can be made, sir. That area.
Then what I am asking, next to that is only forest.
Yes.
Only forest.
Only forest. So I think it's
This is the last point. After that, forest.
And after that, scheduled area starts, sir.
I can understand. I am asking you what you are going to do it. One of the most beautiful
Resort.
resort.
With
and
golf course.
everything.
Yeah. Only 45 kilometers from the airport.
Airport 45. Araku, it is matter of very.
Another half an hour.
And also your train is going there.
Train is going. Yeah, this is the train.
That is the train.
Yeah.
Connectivity will be given.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that they will go have experience.
That's correct.
That is a very big resort. You
Very
can make
big.
it.
Yes, sir.
All varieties.
World's best resort, it
Yeah.
can come here.
Yeah.
I will work on that.
Yeah. You work it out.
Yes, sir.
You send me details.
I will.
I will also go through.
Okay.
Then we will build the best.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Sir, this is the drone which we are manufacturing in Hyderabad for the defense. This is for his major.
I'm Commander Srikanth. I'm ex-naval Indian Navy, and then I've joined JSW. So this particular drone is called VBAT, and it is in a joint venture with Shield AI, which is a Texas-based company. Presently, manufacturing will be commencing soon in Hyderabad, and we are the manufacturing partners for Shield AI. The drone is mainly used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it can go up to a height of about 18,000 feet, can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with SATCOM capabilities, and it is mainly used for by defense forces for intelligence, surveillance, and can be fitted with a EOIR camera, sir, on the nose, and with a radar on the belly. And it can fly up till 12 hours of, it has an endurance.
And it can take off from the truck.
And
From the back of the truck, this can take off out from the ship.
And from a ship, sir, from a moving platform, it can take off and land. It takes off vertically, does the entire mission horizontally, and then lands
How
back.
far you are very strong in drone technology?
Sir, as of now, we are good, sir. We have their technology for...
Not only this, what I am asking, both civilian application and defense application, both you have to work together. I started Drone City itself.
Oh.
Is in Orvakallu, in between Ballari and here.
Sir, we are
okay.
presently flying from Orvakal, sir. We are, JSW
That
is the
is what
first
I am
company.
asking
Yes,
you.
sir.
Why can't you start both commercial and pilots training, everything?
Training already we have started from local, sir. Training for this one.
Training we are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing also if you can start from
20 ఎకరాలు
local.
అడిగారు సార్ పెద్దగా అడుగుపండి
We should have gone there
20
only.
ఎకరాలు అడిగారు ఎక్కువ అడగమని చెప్పారు
No, 20 or 50 acres I am prepared to give. You make it drone your hub.
Yeah.
That is the future. Even transportation of all our vegetables, fruits,
Should happen with drones.
అంబులెన్స్ ట్రైన్
ambulance.
That is the future.
Even I am working ambulance,
Ambulance.
drone ambulance, and also transport drone taxi.
Oh, drone taxi. Within the city.
Now I want to make in Amaravati. There is some helipads.
Okay.
There, drone helipad. Anybody can drop there and then they will move.
సార్ డ్రోన్ సిటీ ఆల్సో సార్ హెస్ టోల్డ్ టు బిల్డ్ 1 kilometer airstrip, sir. We have an airstrip available, so that is an advantage because you can test there only.
Future.
Correct. In that.
Drone city, Kurnool, and it's a separate
Orvakallu
airspace.
you are
we are
using.
creating.
Yes, sir.
There I am making.
It's a
also.
separate airspace, sir. Up to you can